You were beautiful, all of us, 'cause we got something natural. Universe and darling, that things that you don't like that. Well, you're beautiful. Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Chordnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing the song Beautiful by Anne Mary. Alright, so we're gonna play this just like it sounds on the song. Right, that's an advanced way to play it, and I'm gonna show you guys how to play it. I'm gonna show you guys how to play it for the beginner player, where you're gonna be using very basic chords: A minor, F, C, G, and I'm gonna show you how to play those. And I'm also gonna show you the intermediate player, which is right in between those two. Right, so let's start with the basic chords. If you're gonna put your capo on second fret to play the beginner version, you're gonna be playing the following chords: A minor. A minor is open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. And then we go to F, which is 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. Or you can hold 1, open, 3, 2, 1, open. Right? And then we go to C, which is open, 3, 2, open, 1, open. And then lastly, we have a G major, which is 3, 2, open, open, 3, 3. Right? And we're playing You Are Beautiful, all of us, look at something natural. Na, 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 na. So that's A minor to F, and then we have C, and then G. Right? A minor, F, C, and then G. And my strumming pattern is down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down. Alright, now the same melody when played without the capo. This is now intermediate and advanced player. You're going to be using the following chords. So first we have an this is a B minor. So this is a B minor, which is 2, 4, 4, 3, 2. Right, you can play it as a B minor 7, which is open, 2, open, 2, 3, open. This is the beginner way to play that chord, alright? But if you're advanced, just go ahead and play the bar chord. Alright, so we have that B minor, and then we go to G major, which is 3, 2, open, open, open 3, or 3, 3. And then after that, we play a D, which is open, 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 2, 3, 2. And then lastly, we have an A. Open, open, 2, 2, 2, open. So we are beautiful, A minor, and then G, all of us, D, na na na, A, na 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 na, and you just keep playing that. So B minor to G, and D, and then lastly A, na 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 na, B minor, na 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 na. Alright, now the advanced way to play it, we're gonna be using the bass notes for these chords. B minor 7, the bass there is 2nd fret of 5th string, and then we go to G, which is 3rd fret of the 6th string, and then we go to D, in which case we're going to be using the 2nd fret of string number 6 again. And lastly, we have open 5th string, that's your A, right? So we hammer on the 2nd fret of, we're holding the 2nd fret of string number 3, okay? And we're playing. Right, you're going to be holding that the whole time, and you're using for B minor 7, you're going to be plucking strings 5, 4, 3, so 5, 4, 3, 3, So 5, 4, 3, 3, and then you switch to third fret of the sixth string and now play 6, 4, 3, 3, and then you go to the second fret of that sixth string and play 6, 4, 3, 3, and then open fifth string 5, 4, 3, 3. Okay, so let's do that. 5, 4, 3, 3, 6, 4, 3, 3, 6, 4, 3, 3, 5, 4, 3, 3. Okay, that's the whole song. So the only trick there is they're muting the strings with their palm, so it sounds, I don't know, more rhythmic. So you're beautiful, all of us. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Right now, just merge that with the chords to play the chords for the chorus, and do the plucking for the verses, and you're done. Okay, so I'm just checking to see if there's like a progression change. Okay, so the timing right before the chorus on the oh my na is a little bit different, but it's still the same chords. Okay, so here's how you're gonna play it. Right, and then we go, oh, that's B minor 7, G, and then you stay on G, and then D, A. Right, so that's oh my na 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 na. So that's B minor 7, G, and then you stay on G, and then you go D, A, and then you're back. So it's still the same chords, and we get into the chorus. Let me just fast forward to see if there's like a bridge with different chords. Okay, I don't think there is a bridge. That's just a solo. That's just a solo chorus, right? So that's the whole song, guys. Just learn every part, because if you're a beginner, you don't want to stay a beginner your whole life. So just try to learn every part and continue coming back to this video for more reference. Otherwise, that's been it. Do subscribe to the channel for more content. I apologize, I forgot to turn on the lights. So yeah, I'm sure the lighting here is going to be terrible, but I hope you guys can see the chords if you zoom in, and you guys can play this song. Otherwise, that's been it, guys. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.